On Tuesday, October 13th, at 8:45 a.m., officers were dispatched to an emergency call for service regarding a stabbing which had just occurred in the 500 block of Sonora Street. The caller reported that a male subject had stabbed his mother multiple times in the back.
911, do you need police, medical, or fire?
I need an ambulance.
Okay, what's going on, ma'am?
My brother just stabbed my mom.
What was he wearing?
He's wearing black Levi's and a gray sweatshirt.
Officers were advised that the suspect in the stabbing was schizophrenic. Officers began receiving updates from additional callers.
Come on, 491. That one coming right now. He got a knife.
He had a knife? Okay, on East Truxton and Clyde, not at Sonora, correct?
Send the police.
Officers arrived in the area at about 8:51 a.m. and began to circulate in an effort to locate the suspect. At 8:56 a.m., officers began contact with the suspect, who was running northbound on Baker Street, south of East 18th Street. A plainclothed officer and a witness to the original offense began following the suspect on foot. At 8:56 a.m., a uniformed officer used a less lethal, direct impact projectile foam bullet which had no effect. This was the first of 2 attempts using the less lethal device.
Get on the ground! 2051 launch deployment ineffective. Get on the ground, you're gonna get hit again! Get on the ground!
Help! Help! Drop the knife! Help! Drop the knife! Drop the knife! Drop it! Drop the knife! Drop the knife!
Drop the knife!
Drop the knife!
Drop the knife!
Crossfire! Watch crossfire! Shoot it! Go!
Drop the knife!
Crossfire! Watch crossfire!
Randy, back up.
Crossfire! Watch crossfire! Drop it!
Back up, Randy, to your right.
Crossfire! Watch crossfire!
Watch a crossfire!
Crossfire! Watch crossfire!
He's got a knife. Check.
He's got a knife! Get down! Get on the ground!
Get on the ground!
Get on the ground!
Nice. 51 launch deployment ineffective.
Drop the knife!
Get on the ground! Help! Help!
Drop the knife!
Help!
Drop the knife! Drop the knife!
No!
Drop it! Drop the knife!
Drop the knife!
Drop the knife!
Drop the knife! No! Shoot me, sir! No! Drop the knife! Shoot me!
Drop it!
Crossfire! Watch crossfire! Shoot it! Go! Shoot it! Drop the knife! Shoot it!
Drop it!
Crossfire!
Drop it!
Crossfire! Watch crossfire!
Drop it!
No! Shoot it!
Drop it! You're right.
Crossfire! Watch crossfire!
Watch a crossfire!
Crossfire! Watch crossfire!
He's got the knife. Got a knife. Check. He's got a knife. Sims. Get down! Get on the ground!
Get on the ground!
Get on the ground!
Drop it!
Watch crossfire!
Drop the knife right now!
Crossfire! Watch crossfire!
Got a knife. He's got a on the ground. Get on the ground.
Get on the ground.
Get on the ground!
Get on the ground.
Paul Robert 2998, dispatch medical aid.
3 officers discharged their firearms. Officers immediately began life-saving measures. The suspect was transported to an area hospital where he succumbed to his injuries. A knife was recovered from the suspect's person. 2 direct impact munitions were recovered at the scene. The officer-involved shooting took place less than a minute after the suspect was contacted.